is it?
It is.
Ah, damn.
So I do electric swaps for them.
Oh, yeah?
So that's all electric. You can ride it if you want. It's tiny. I let you, man. It's all about the fun.
It's all electric, huh?
It is.
How long's it last you?
I'm still testing. I literally just got on the road about a week ago.
Oh, yeah.
So, yeah, it's mine. Thank you.
I mean, one of the guys I used to work with had a Grom.
Yeah.
But it didn't look like that.
Sure.
You know?
Yeah. They're fun. I mean, just like any bike, they're like Legos. You know, you can put anything on them. But the nice thing is the Grom's a cheap platform. So, you know, you're not spending $1,000 for a pipe like you would on a heart. You know, you get it. You get it.
You don't have to buy an exhaust.
Right. Yeah. I thought about mocking up one
But
just to like put. It'd be funny.
What,
That's a 72.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, it hauls, man. It'll keep up with his. This is a 370. It's a riot for around town, you know?
I got 3 more of them.
Sure.
2-wheelers.
Yep.
That's the only trick I got.
Sure.
It was easiest to get out. The other ones are still covered up, plugged in for 100.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm the same way. I have they're all small stuff. I have 4 Groms, a Ruckus, and
Oh, yeah?
I just like the small bikes. I'm weird like that.
I thought that's not a full-size bike.
No, but that's the joy for me, is like having that small bike, but being able to keep up with the other guys, so
Yeah.
I can still enjoy it, but it's so nimble, you know.
Does the semis bother you, the wind and shit?
Yes. I mean, any highway speed, yes, it does. I mean, I've gotten used to it. I try to avoid it if I can, but you know, it's not unbearable. It's
Yeah.
Well,
I just wouldn't want to do it for a long time.
probably before you was born, I broke my right hip on a motorcycle.
Oh no.
That's my battle wound.
You're back to riding again. It's good to see.
I broke it in June. Next summer I was on another bike.
Oh, good for you, man.
June of '76. What year was you born?
I'm in 93.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
76.
That's awesome.
And back then they didn't do like now.
Sure.
They didn't throw in a hip and send me home.
Right.
Spent 6 months in a fucking wheelchair. You know?
I just said, put me in an attachment that I can put on my bike.
A what?
Put me in an attachment that I could go on my bike.
Go up on the bike.
You're right.
I just got that one last year.
Sure.
Like I said, I got 3 2 wheels.
Yeah.
I was going to trike one of mine I had.
Sure.
It was $20,000 to trike it.
Yeah.
My bike.
Yeah, it's not worth to convert yourself.
I
Yep.
bought that for $14.
Yep.
And it was already done. Already got the easy steer on the front end. Got 100,000 miles on it.
Right.
Fucking
Oh, it's a gold one. Yeah. My buddy's got a gold wing too, and it's nice. I mean, like, it's like riding on a sofa, you know, they're comfy.
They're not, that's not near the ride.
Sure.
The 2-wheeler is.
Sure.
What I got? 20 inches of tire on the road.
Right. A little bit.
Versus 3 inches of tire.
It's fair.
You know? It's not near the ride that a 2-wheeler is.
Sure.
You guys be careful.
Yeah, absolutely. You too, man. It's nice talking. I love it.
Immediately, I was like, yep.
Yeah, I love that he recognized there was a Grom though, which makes sense. He's on a Honda product too.
Oh, yeah.
I offered him that he could ride it, and he's like, I'm too fat. That guy was really cool.
Oh, yeah.
I love to see it.
Did he say he was born in 76 or he had a hip replacement in 76?
I don't know. There was a lot going on there.